Thank you all for being here today. It certainly was a tragic day that I remember well. It was a horrible day and it affected lives forever.
So I knew everybody in that building, if not by name, by face. In an instant, I lost 116 friends. Excuse me. I am standing here talking with you guys today because of a hero. And when I mention heroes, I don't talk about football players and baseball players and NFL players. I talk about first responders. I talk about nurses. I talk about doctors and people that gave and give without regard for themselves.
How bad were your injuries?
I had over 150 stitches. My hand was crushed and my ear was cut off.
He can say the numbers, the stitches and the staples and all that kind of stuff, but I don't think you can even understand unless you saw it. But I did. I walked right past him. One of the ladies, the nurses, had to stop me and say, "No, this is your dad."
Everything from that day forward became the light. It was something for us, for me especially, it was very important to be involved.
I hope you remember these things every time you see this planting out here. And thanks for being a part of this today.
I'm just really glad that I got to learn a whole lot more about this story.
I think it's important because I feel like if you want to live in the state that you're living in, you should be knowing about a little bit of the history that's in there.
I learned that don't be disgrateful for what you have, and always be grateful for what you have instead of for what you don't have.
We are very, very, very grateful, and this is a survivor sapling that we will cherish and honor, and this is something that these students will always remember, and this is something that we want to make very special for them, and this is amazing.